Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart gas can safely. Before you begin, always take a moment to carefully read all instructions and warnings provided with your gas can. It is crucial to work in a well-ventilated outdoor space, far from any potential ignition sources like open flames or sparks. Remember to protect yourself by wearing appropriate safety gear, including sturdy gloves and eye protection. Never fill a gas can while it is inside a vehicle. Always place it on the ground to prevent static electricity buildup. When it's time to fill your gas can, always place it firmly on the ground. This simple step is vital for preventing static electricity from building up, which could be hazardous. Carefully insert the fuel nozzle completely into the can's opening, ensuring a snug fit. Remember to fill the can no more than 3/4 full. This leaves essential space for the fuel to expand, especially on warmer days. Overfilling can cause dangerous spills and release harmful fumes, so always be mindful of the fill level. Now, let's talk about safely dispensing fuel. First, position your gas can securely to prevent any accidental tipping while you are pouring. Most gas cans come with a flexible spout. Always use this attachment for controlled and precise dispensing. Pour the fuel slowly and steadily to avoid splashing, which can lead to waste and potential hazards. Also, ensure the receiving tank, whether it's for a lawnmower or another piece of equipment, is properly vented. This helps prevent back pressure and ensures a smooth transfer of fuel. Proper storage and maintenance are key to extending the life of your gas can and ensuring continued safety. Always store your gas can in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and any heat sources. It is absolutely essential to keep the can out of reach of children and pets at all times. Make it a habit to regularly inspect your gas can for any signs of cracks, leaks, or other damage. If you notice any issues, it is always best to replace the can to maintain safety and prevent potential hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.